As the gopis, in their state of separation, as they wander through the forest to remember all their ecstatic moments with Krishna, their minds become overwhelmed, akshipta. So they speak to themselves, oh, what are you doing here? Go out again and look for the darling of your life. And this way the gopis are chastising their own minds. Their very own minds are on the verge of leaving their bodies. The gopis act like this because they are in a state of pramad, which is in line 3. Akshipta chitta pramada ramapates. Pramad means extreme madness. Where's that, Prasad? Due to losing their minds. When their madness rises to the state of unmad, which means complete madness, the gopis' minds will become totally absorbed in Krishna, tadatmika. So to be totally absorbed in Krishna, mantandan, is a type of state of madness. We say that we should always remember Krishna and speak about Krishna and dream about Krishna. So if one actually comes to that elevated state of spiritual advancement and pure Krishna consciousness, then he will be mad. Like the gopis, like Mahaprabhu.